be 5 minutes of waffle here. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just vlogging. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Karen, and if you're just new here, you're probably going to be wondering what on earth have you just walked into and what is this video? Well, I normally do plus size clothing hauls, hair dye videos, product reviews, but I've started quite enjoying doing vlogs and stuff, and I'm trying to lose some weight. So I have been trying to document my weight for, well, I started my diet on June the 1st and it's now November the 11th. I've been trying to document me weight loss journey, but it's been so slow. Some days I don't even bother doing anything. I thought I'd give you a little catch up of the bits that I did vlog, so it's a right mishmash, but I've included the weight loss and like on the weeks that I lost weight and stuff, so it's a bit vloggy, but it's also to do with weight. My intention is to try and keep vlogging me weight loss, well, me weight, it's really me journey, because the weight loss is just, well, it just feels so minimal. But anyway, basically what this video is in a nutshell that I've waffled on, there's probably 5 minutes of waffle here. Basically this video is just to get you up to date, and it goes back to I think August, but it's not very long because I didn't want to like kind of waffle on and on and on and on. Next video will start from October, and I think I'll do like I'll try and do a monthly thing. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just vlogging. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. Please give the video a thumbs up if you do. See you soon. Got myself roped into playing rounders for my niece's birthday in the pouring down rain. Burned some calories anyway.
Well fielded. Well done. Good fielding.
It's getting very tense here. There's been arguments between the rules.
Alright, let's get it run now.
It's our team, the dream team.
Yes, Joseph! Oh, just hit the post!
We're deciding whether the rule is if you get 3 shots for a rounder or just the 1 for to hit the ball. Are you allowed to go 3 times to hit it? But we're going 1 at the minute.
Yeah. Hey!
Go for it, Jack!
Go on, Jack! Oh, what's on? It is.
Yeah. Well, we're absolutely soaking. We lost, didn't we, Luke?
Yeah.
We lost. Lost the game. It's absolutely chucking it down in rain, so we're just going to head back to the car now. So I'll check in with you later.